that Honorable Election Commission of India has extended the ban on road show, padayatras, cycle, bike, vehicle rallies and processions till 11th February in view of the COVID guideline. However, certain relaxations have been also announced in the today's press note. Commission has decided to allow physical public meetings of political parties or contesting candidates in designated open spaces with a maximum of 1,000 persons. Earlier this limit was 500 or 50% of the capacity of the ground or the prescribed limit set by SDMA. From 1st of February, that is tomorrow. Commission has also enhanced the limit for door-to-door campaigns. Earlier it was 10 persons, now it is 20 persons excluding security personnel. The Commission has now granted relaxations for the political parties to the extent that indoor meetings of a maximum of 500 persons, earlier it was 300, or 50% of the capacity of the hall or the prescribed limit set by SDMA is allowed. And all the parties and contesting candidates, they have to follow COVID appropriate behavior and guidelines and model code of conduct at all occasions. And then we had identified around 490 places, which the list of which has been shared with all the political parties, and their suggestions have been invited. If any new locations they would like to suggest, we are awaiting that. Friends, as you are aware, 490 locations for indoor and outdoor campaigns, like halls, like public grounds.